Hey y'all, so I'm about to do a review, and I got this Wonderskin. It's that lip stain stuff. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. It says it's in the shade Whimsical. It's like a dark brown, I think. Yeah, it better be, because I like the dark. So I got this from TikTok shop. And hold on, let me open this. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I guess it's in the shade Whimsical. Anyways, let's get started. So I'm about to moisturize my lips. Okay, listen. Let's see. I just do a little bit, you know. Anyways, so I'm gonna use this first, and then the NYX Butter Gloss. It's that girl, listen. Okay, but anyways, let's get started. Y'all, this better work too, because I'm tired of reapplying my lip liner. That's the only reason why I wanted this. And y'all girls been saying, oh, this about, oh, this is worth it. We gonna see. Let's see. Hold on. Let me read. Or tissue, swipe over lips, swipe over eating, da 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 da. Repeat to both off and remaining. So yeah. Cause I thought I said this look purple. Cause I thought I said brown. Right? That look I'ma trust the process. This look purple. Okay, it's not okay. I got some big lips, y'all, so I got a mirror right there. That's why I keep looking over there. And depending on which day y'all see this video, it's my birthday. So I wanted to try this on my birthday because I'm not gonna be reapplying lip liner all night. Hold on now. Listen, I can't even. I can't even form my lids. Man, you're gonna see. I'm upset this look purple. I'm gonna just keep on with the keeping on though. I'm gonna trust the process. Ooh, I feel it getting. It's getting hard on my lips. I'm gonna trust the process. I really hope this butter gloss come through and do what I needed to do. I'm gonna let it sit. It don't even say. Let me come back because I need to see. I don't think I need to peel nothing, but we're gonna see. Okay, so it said to let it sit for 30 seconds and then wipe it off. This is the wipe and go, not the peel and stain or whatever the crap is called. So let's see. I don't know. Wait a minute now. Okay. Let's do it like that. There we go. So it is coming off. And that's how the bottom look. I can't tell. I mean, I can, but I can't. So let's see the top. Look. Ooh. Okay, what is this? So this is messy. I mean, I see it a bit. Y'all see it? I see it a little bit. Like in that mirror, I see it. It's okay. It's all right. I see it a bit. I don't know. I guess if my lips were like a little bit lighter, I think I could see it more. I don't know. I'm gonna add the butter gloss, the NYX butter gloss, and then let's see if that changes anything. Okay, I see it. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. This is what it's called, y'all. So if you want this, this is the wipe and stain, I think it's called. I think it was like wipe and go. The other one is a peel and go. They do have a peel and go when you peel it off your lips. This one is the wipe and go. And this color I got is whimsical. That's what it is supposed to look like. But this is what it looked like on me. And I have like a little bit of darker, slightly darker lips at the bottom. But if y'all want this, shop TikTok shop and click that link. Thank y'all for watching.